Today we are going to talk about how to work with subject tools. On the left of your IWB software, you have these tabs. This one is to identify the pages you are working with. The second one is about subject tools. If you position yourself, for example, on top of physics, you are going to see that you have 122 shapes for physics and 108 simulation images. So for example, if I position myself on shapes, I can select the shape of an antenna, and you see that it's a square on the antenna. Now if I position myself anywhere on the interactive board, I can draw an antenna. Now if I position myself on chemistry, I can go to simulation, and same story, I can select a flask, and I position myself and I put a flask. Now I can manipulate this image and move it anywhere I want on the IWB software. Now what happens for images? For example, I'm going to go to geography, and there's no images, there's no shape, there's no simulation, and there are two images that I input into computer. If I want to go to history, for example, I don't have anything: shape, simulation, image, or multimedia. So let's insert something about history in this container. So first, I am on the iBoard mode. I'm going to get out of iBoard mode, and I'm going to open my browser. So I open my browser, and I type something like Canadian history, and then I press enter, and then I go to images, and I can select images from Canadian history. So I'm going to select, right now I'm going to select a flag, which is going to be easier. So I select screen capture, area capture, and I position myself on the flag, and I cut the flag. Now I have the flag in the IWB software. I can manipulate the flag and I can move it anywhere, but I can also move it inside the container. Once I drop it inside the container, the image is there. So for example, I'm going to erase this one, delete. And now if I'm here, I can select this one. You see the square on top of it. So now anywhere I will select on the IWB software, I will draw my container. So that way, the most common use images that I need are going to be inside this container under history. If I go to computer, for example, this one I previously uploaded because I use a lot of that image. Thank you very much for watching.